Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process to download and install Counter-Strike 1.6 on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open up any web browser. In the search bar, type in Steam and press Enter. Now, from the search results, look for the official Steam website. It should say Welcome to Steam. Click on that link. Once you're on Steam's homepage, look at the top right corner and you'll find the Install Steam button. Click on it. In this page again, click on Install Steam. A file will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam on your PC. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Once Steam is installed, open it up from your desktop. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Just follow the sign-up process. If you already have an account, simply log in. Now that you're inside Steam, locate the search bar at the top right corner of the window. Click on it and type in Counter-Strike. From the search results, find and click on this Counter-Strike to open the games page. Once you're on the Counter-Strike page, scroll down until you see the Add to Cart button. Click on it. Click on Continue to Payment and choose your preferred payment method. Fill in the necessary details, agree to Steam's terms and conditions, and click Purchase. After completing the purchase, go to your Steam library. You'll find this option in the top menu bar. In the library, locate Counter-Strike and click on the Download button. Steam will automatically install the game on your computer. And that's it. You successfully downloaded and installed Counter-Strike on your PC or laptop. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.